kids, today we have set up a farm with Thomas Train Set. All the farm animals are excited and would love to go on a train ride. You want to join the journey with the farm animals and have fun. Let's begin. In this video, we first set up the farm. Feed the farm animals, then take them on a joyride. We got a special truck to transport horses to the ranch. Let's begin the journey. We count the number of horses. 1, 2, 3, 4. We got a total of 4 horses in the ranch. Now let's transport cows to our farm. It's a bit of a bumpy ride. Hope the cows are safe. Our cows have reached the farm safely. Cows are happy to be in the farm. We place the baby cow with the mother. We add the donkey to the farm. Donkey helps in transporting goods. Let's add a few more farm animals. Pig, sheep, goat. This is where farm owner stays. Farm owner has utility vehicle to carry food for animals and an all-terrain vehicle. Farm has a hen and a rooster. Ducks are swimming in the pond. There's a friendly dog to guard the farmhouse. Let's transport food for the animals and farmer's utility vehicle. Feed the horses. Now let's go and feed the cows. Feed the cows. We have set up Thomas Train Set in that farm. All farm animals are excited to go on joyride. Thomas Engine is looking to connect with the wagon to carry the animals. Wagons are now connected to the train. Utility vehicle got stuck on tracks. Oh, it got hit by the train. Rooster having a fun ride on the train. horse's turn to go on a ride. Cows too are having a good time on the train. Thomas' train is now transporting food for the animals. Now it's turn for sheep, pig, hen, and rooster to go on a joyride. Donkey and dog decided to go together for the ride. Thank you for watching it. Hope you like it. Please hit the like and subscribe button. See you again in our next video.